Hello, welcome back. Was watching the Oscar Paisley channel the other night, and he started talking about the Hornby four-wheel coaches. Now, Hornby did a deal with Marklin to license the Thomas the Tank Engine range, at least to Thomas Percy, Annie Clarabelle, and so forth. Now, part of the thing was Marklin re-engineered the chassis a little bit. They redid the chassis on the four-wheel coaches. As you can see, looks very similar apart from the couplings. Now, just to go a bit further back, here is one from the 1970s. As you can see, the only difference is the couplings and the fact the wheels are a bit smaller. But you can change the body shells over, which is what I did. I bought a couple of Marklin Annie and Clarabelle. Then I bought some of these coaches, and I just swapped the bodies over and swapped the glazing units over. These coaches I've had for about 20 years, and these, well, passed on to me by my dad. But as you can see, you can just swap the body shells over. Just try and do this with one hand. It's not doing it. Yes, excellent production values here. Honestly. So yeah, you just unclip using the 4 clips there. As you can see, it just slots on, so you can just change the body shells over. And yeah, there you go. Yes. So you can just, if you wanted to, swap over. Even the weights are the same. So yeah. So now we have an LNER coach running behind a fictional, well, a German steam loco, like so. And bring that back. Into the sides, because I forgot to set the points. But yes, as you can see, so you can basically just change the tops over, and there you go. But yes, that does. Here we have a nice little freelance branch line train. And you can just have whichever wagons that you'd like.